What's going on, everybody? It's Blader Jordan here today, and as you can see, it's a snowstorm. But we're going to be having a Metal Fight Beyblade battle for you guys today. This is my first time ever doing this Beyblade in the snow. But yeah, only got a few, so let's get started. I don't have any gloves on, so okay. Cosmic is out. Alright, Race Striker is out. Okay. This won't be too long. Just because it's simple. Just because the simple fact that it's cold out. Let's go with Fang Leon. No, Fang Leon fell out. Put some snow in there. Earth Eagle is getting jumped. Oh my god, this is cold. Alright, Hill Kerbex is down. Oh, they knocked each other out. Okay. Let's get Sagittario back in there. Grand Cetus. Yo, Drago. Playing Big Sis wins it. I mean, of course I launched it a little later, but Bandit Golem. And Cosmic Pegasus destroys everybody. No, I'm just kidding. Let's do a few more. Go shoot. Hands are so cold. Okay. Oh, yo, Drago didn't absorb. That's too bad. Okay, and there we have the winner, Guardian Leviathan. Hope you guys enjoyed this Beyblade Metal Fight Storm Battle Marathon. It's so cold out here. Oh man, it went longer than I expected, but hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel, stay tuned for more Beyblade Metal Fight battles coming your way. And with that being said, I'll see you guys later.